is sweating in our battle. Does that make him a wop? I kill Frieza so many times, he's losing his gourd. He tried to floss with all that gold like I ain't knew him before. In any timeline, I'm in my prime. Follow guidelines like his white line. Ain't no finite, no limits. I'm colder than dry guys, no gimmicks. Transmission like Wi-Fi, no limits till I'm on your blind side. Blows into the back of your mind's eye, then it's night-night. Got that 1-2, that's that bye-bye. And it's Popeyes, those spinners, they shook when I drive by. Roll into the fray, I got lifelines. Those witches should run, give me 9 lives. No bitch in the kid, I'm a nice guy, but I might strike, need a high five. That's the recipe, but if I die, more than I die, you will never catch me on the sidelines.
Salamat ka sa kanya kasi meron niyang basihan. Basta po kasi ang move natin, tapos kaya tayo, mas pumasan, sobrang daming yung naiiwan sa unan mo. Also, pag natulog ka ng basa, ang buhok mo, pwede yan pamugaran ng mga germs at bacteria.
Malapit sa yaka, malayo sa mundo.
Pwede ka maghanap ng Pinoy. Just gotta say one word. Tumingin! Naghanap kami ng Pinoy. Ay, tumingin si ate. We were trying to figure out kung sinong Pilipino eh. Ako nga kuya eh. Sino ba Pinoy dito? Ay, tumingin na Pinoy.
Kahit sa pamilya ko.
English?
No English for now. Only because you're Pinoy.
Yan si kuya.
Malapit sa yaka. 6, 7. Hello.